This morning in Tibet, a 7.1 magnitude earthquake struck Dingri County outside Shigatse. More than 125 people are dead, with hundreds more injured, and the numbers continue to rise.
But even in mourning, as bodies are being pulled out of the rubble, the Tibetan people are being forced to fight for their very identity.
China is exploiting this moment to further its plan to replace the actual name, Tibet, with their imposed colonial propaganda term, Xizang.
Outrageously, many major news outlets across the world, including The Guardian and AFP, are supporting the CCP's erasure of Tibet and using this colonial term in their reporting.
This shows just how quickly and how dangerously China's propaganda can infiltrate the world. These institutions, which are supposed to report on this tragedy, are now actually perpetuating China's colonization of Tibet.
As communities dig through ruins in sub-zero temperatures, as families mourn loved ones, we stand with Tibetans in demanding one simple truth be recognized by the global community. The land that these people are fighting to protect is Tibet. Bhoe, Dingri, Tsogo, Shigatse. Never Xizang.